Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to see the hands-on session. This is a very simple examples how we can utilize use ResNet 101 and ResNet 152 for visualize a single image. So as the previous session I explained the theoretically how what is ResNet and why is so important and how it will for image classification, not only image classification and also the ResNet today plays successful role in the computer vision 2 here and the role of deep learning 2 here. And once go for the ResNet, the major advantage is using the skip connections because these skip connections generally helpful to avoid the vanishing gradient problem 2 here and network degradation. So once you go for the ResNet 1, we can easily image do the classification. For if you want to execute this code Python script like that, if you have to initialize a image that is called beach like that. If you initialize if you have image, you have to download and save in the Google Colab. Then we can set the image back to predict it. So at the end of the code or end of script, we can easily visualize this given image. So for that one, we can start the code with the torch, image import torch and matplot for visualization and load the pre-trained model that is ResNet 101 and define the transformation for the input image. So because what are the input image, it should be in SRMIST format, it should be pre-processed and generally first step the image will be pre-processed with a size of 256 by 256. Then the ResNet will accept the input image. It should be in the form of 224 by 224. That reason we are using the transforms dot resize of center crop of 224. Whatever the image, it will predict the center point and further move for the prediction of everything here. And normalize option also we are using with some variables. And function to display the image. So if you want to display the image, you can write the function called define this display image and open the image. You can use the help image path. Then transformation to the image. If you want to deal with this kind of image collaboration, we need support and the ImageNet support is needed. Okay, pre-trained model. Then we can go for the predicted class. So as of you showing the example, so here load the ImageNet class labels and we can give the URL by default. Then import request. Then we can get the predicted class label with the help of this following coding and display the image along with the prediction. That is the center. It will predict whether it's a beach or whatever there after giving the training. At last, it display the information after it's the seashore. So the beach, it's a seashore. It's predict the image with everything here. Successfully, we can implement ResNet 101 for image classification. Same image we are going to visualize the ResNet 152 here. ResNet 101 having 101 layers and ResNet 152 having the 152 layers. What is that layers means here? As much layers going increasing, we can improve the performance of the network here, deep neural network. Not only that one, we can improve the accuracy also and fast. So computer can reduce the computation cost and so on and so on. So same coding we are going to use with the 152. So we are writing the image transformation as similar to the ResNet one and display the image same. And the thing is, once it executes this kind of Python script, we can view the difference. That means we can visualize the image as soon as very fast here compared to ResNet 101. And also same thing, ResNet 150 also by supporting the skip connections, we are ready to help the reduce the vanishing gradient, avoid the vanishing gradient problem and so on. Here also we are going to predict. At last, if we give the information, if we give the path properly, it will display the image and predict the score is so like that. I hope that this tutorial you understand how we can utilize our can utilize ResNet 152, 101 for image classification as well as the object identification successfully. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends.